Hello, it's Tasha with WTI.
I can't say enough good things about my KitchenAid hand mixer. It is so great for quickly mixing up a little bit of pancakes or some cookies or really whatever you like to bake. It is so compact and portable, but at the same time, it's so sturdy and durable. I love it for mixing up dry or liquid. It does a great job. The speeds are wonderful. I don't feel a lot of shaking, and you can just really tell the difference of quality from a KitchenAid mixer. It's not large or bulky, so it doesn't take up a lot of kitchen area space. I can wrap it up and put it away. This has been a really useful tool for me in my kitchen. I also love the design of this hand mixer because it is very comfortable in my hand, and it comes in all kinds of different colors. You can get the set in the colors that you love, but I love this turquoise mint color. It's bright and cherry, and I am happy when I'm using it in my kitchen. It also locks into place depending on if you want it on the left or the right while you're mixing to keep the cord away. It's a really great mixer.
And that's my point of view.